Hey guys, I want to show you this application I built to help me search for jobs. It's still ongoing because I do want to add more features to it, but let me show you guys what I have so far. So the app is actually able to search for jobs in different job boards and put them on one platform so that you could easily analyze and digest which one you want to apply to. So if you click on search my jobs, you can see you can choose a profile of like what type of jobs you want to apply to. So let's say I wanted to apply to a machine learning job. Click on machine learning, it changes my settings for me because I've saved it. And then you can choose which boards you want to scrape. So the app will search for jobs on each platform and return them in an algorithm I built that ranks the jobs by different criteria. You can have it return 50, 20, or 10 jobs. And you can, of course, choose the experience level and what type of jobs you want returned. So if we use these settings where we want only jobs posted in the past week, and all of them are machine learning and data scientist related jobs, we're going to click on I'm going to clear pending jobs to clear all the current jobs I have, and then I'm going to click on start job search. It's going to take a minute to search for jobs and then return what we have. Okay, and that took about 2 minutes. I skipped ahead, but it took eventually about 2 minutes to scrape for jobs on each job board and return results. So let's see what we have. Our search, of course, was machine learning and data scientist. So we can see that we have plenty of jobs here, and we only said about a total of 20, I believe it was. So let's remember what we did. Oh, it said 50. So we should see no more than 50 jobs here, and then return the best jobs for us. And if you see a job you're interested in, so for example, into it, we can look at the job, go to that job and see what it is. And if we want to apply to it, we can say we apply to it. If not, we're going to say we applied. And then that's essentially it. Even though we didn't apply, but we could just say that for now. Then you could go to your dashboard and see all the statistics about your jobs. You could see all the jobs you applied for, all the jobs that are pending, and jobs you got accepted to. And you can see all the stats about how many jobs you applied to daily, weekly, and monthly. Other cool feature I built was this chatbot here. You can ask it to do multiple little things, like let's say I just applied to a job today. So let's say ask it, how many jobs did I apply to today? And then it's going to search our existing database to see how many jobs we applied to today, and then return that to me. You could also do things like create cover letters, create resumes, and also tell you more about current jobs that you have. As you can see, it's still hallucinating a bit. I said 4 jobs, but I only applied to 1 job today. So something that I'm continuously working on. And I also connected it to a large language module in which it can tell you about current companies. So for example, you can ask it about like a company that you applied for, like let's say Google. Can you tell me more about Google? About the company Google? And then it will give you that response. Yep. Says, hi Amron, it would be my pleasure to provide you more data with more information about Google. Google is one of the largest and most influential tech companies in the world, known for its innovative products and services, and so on and so forth. So this is correct. So it does quite a lot of things. still working on it, as you saw before, to fix the hallucination part and properly access the database when needed. Sometimes it gets it right, sometimes it doesn't. The end goal of this app is to be able to scrape for jobs, not only scrape for jobs, return jobs, but also apply to jobs that I may find intriguing. So right now I have to manually apply for them, but the end goal is for me to have that also automated. That's it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any comments, questions, concerns about how I did it, I'm happy to share how it works and anything of that matter. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Until then,